Hey there, space cadets. Ever gotten stuck in traffic and wished you could just teleport to your destination? Like, poof, you're there? Space travel sometimes feels the same way. The universe is huge. Even light, the fastest thing out there, takes years, centuries even, to travel between stars. Talk about a long road trip. Now imagine if there was a cosmic shortcut, a tunnel through the fabric of space-time itself. That, my friends, is the basic idea behind a wormhole. Think of it like folding a piece of paper. The long way around is like regular space travel. But a wormhole? That's like poking a hole straight through the paper. Instant shortcut. Okay, enough with the paper, let's get a little more cosmic. Picture space-time as this big stretchy sheet like a trampoline. Massive objects like stars and planets. They create dips in the sheet like bowling balls on the trampoline. Now, a wormhole is like a tunnel connecting two different points on this sheet. You could enter one end of the wormhole here on Earth and pop out the other end near a black hole billions of light years away. No more traffic jams. But hold your horses, space travelers. Wormholes aren't exactly as simple as hopping on a cosmic subway. They're theoretical, meaning we haven't actually found one yet. They're like the unicorns of the astronomy world. Super cool, but elusive. Alright, buckle up because things are about to get really wild. Some scientists believe that wormholes might not just be shortcuts through space, but also through time. Yes, you heard that right. Time travel. Think of it like this. Imagine you could travel through a wormhole to a point in space where time flows differently. Maybe a place where time moves slower relative to Earth. You spend a year there, come back and boom, it's 1,000 years in the future on Earth. You'd be a time traveler. Of course, this is all theoretical, but hey, that's part of the fun of science. It lets our imaginations run wild. Just imagine the possibilities. You could travel back to see the dinosaurs, meet your great-great-great and many more greats, grandparents, or even steal the recipe for the universe's best chocolate chip cookies. Section 4. Hold on, we need more power, and some duct tape. Now before you pack your bags for a trip through time, there are a few tiny, itsy-bitsy problems we need to solve. First off, wormholes are super unstable. Imagine trying to hold open a portal made of smoke. That's what it's like. Second, we'd need an insane amount of energy to create and stabilize a wormhole. We're talking more energy than the entire universe combined. I'm not sure even the most caffeinated scientist has that much energy. And lastly, we'd need some serious tech to navigate these wormholes. It'd be a shame to accidentally end up in the wrong galaxy, or worse, the wrong time period. Imagine showing up at a dinosaur party wearing a neon tracksuit. Not a good look. But hey, don't despair. Science is all about solving problems, even the really hard ones. So who knows? Maybe someday, with enough brain power and a whole lot of duct tape, we'll crack the code of wormhole time travel. Section 5. The slightly scary side of time travel. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the paradox in the space-time continuum. Time travel comes with its own set of conundrums. What happens if you go back in time and accidentally step on a butterfly? What if you prevent your own birth? It makes your head spin, right? These are the famous time travel paradoxes, and they're enough to make even the bravest time traveler think twice. But hey, maybe paradoxes are just the universe's way of keeping things interesting, right? Plus, think of all the cool things you could do if you could travel through time. You could right historical wrongs, warn people about impending disasters, or even just pull off some epic pranks. Just imagine replacing all the toilet paper in ancient Rome with those annoying singing birthday cards. Classic. Section 6. So, ready to hop in a wormhole? So, there you have it. Wormholes and time travel explained with a cosmic dose of humor. While we're not quite ready to pack our bags for a trip through the space-time continuum just yet, the possibilities are undeniably mind-blowing. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll be zipping through wormholes like we hop on the subway today. Until then, keep dreaming big, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe, both big and small. After all, that's what makes life in this crazy cosmos so much fun.